Congress legislators in Madhya Pradesh sat on a night-long dharna in the well of the House on protest, claiming that the BJP was fooling the farmers of the state. This, even as a special session of the Vidhan Sabha was called to pass the supplementary budget.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हमेशा किसानों की लड़ाई लड़ी है, मजदूरों की लड़ाई लड़ी है, और मैं मध्य प्रदेश विधानसभा में कांग्रेस पक्ष के नेताजी और उनके सभी साथियों को, माननीय विधायकों को इस बात के लिए बधाई देता हूं कि उन्होंने जनता के हित में ये संघर्ष किया है। अभी तक पिछले साल का मुआवजा नहीं मिला, अभी तक पिछले साल की बीमा कंपनियों में किसानों को बीमा नहीं दिया, बीमा का पैसा कट गया, किसानों को बीमा का पैसा मिला नहीं। पटवारी और पूरा राजस्व विभाग हर प्राकृतिक आपदा को पैसा कमाने का अवसर मानता है, और जो पैसा देता है उसका केस बनता है। पूरा सर्वे केवल पेंसिल से लिखा जाता है गांव में, और तहसील में आकर वो बदल दिया जाता है। ये पूरी सरकार कमीशनबाजी के आधार पर चली हुई है।
Hemendra is now joining me on the phone line for more. Hemendra, the Congress essentially upping the ante at a time when the government has called for a special session to pass the supplementary budget?
Well, actually, the ruling BJP, they had got the House adjourned sine die after the Congress didn't allow the Chief Minister to speak, and they were raising the issue of Vyapam at that time. And as a result, the supplementary budget could not be passed yesterday. That is on the 24th. The House was convened to pass the supplementary budget. And while that was being done, the Congress MLAs, after the House was adjourned, sat in the well of the House and said that they would be sitting there on a night-long dharna protesting against the promises that have been made by the ruling BJP government but have somehow not been fulfilled. As Digvijay Singh was pointing out, that because of unseasonal rains and hailstorm, last year also there was severe damage to the crops, and compensation was announced. The majority of that was to come from the union government, and also the state government was to pitch in. But that has so far, till now, not been given to the farmers. And this year again, there have been unseasonal rains and hailstorm which has damaged the crop. And once again, there have been instances of farmers committing suicide. And now that the Chief Minister is going to various crop damage sites and promising compensation,
right,
he and the Congress are saying that since this is not being done properly, it is for the Congress to take up the issue, and that is why they sat in the will of the House.